Hello, and welcome to another update video about Doge. Here on the Doge chart, we can see that the market is quite deep in support now. This is a very deep way forward at this stage. It is allowed to do that because this move to the upside seems to be a diagonal pattern. So it might even break below the 50% retracement. That wouldn't be a major problem, but it already is. And I can show the 61.8 retracements in the next level. But it already is a very large wave 4, especially compared to the wave 2. Looking at the proportions, it's about time it starts to reverse to the upside. For now, there is absolutely no sign that it wants to do that. The next support would be, still at 21 cents. I mean, that level was tested on Monday during the rapid sell-off. We've since then seen a little bit of upside momentum, but not really a lot happened after the immediate recovery rally that we saw on Monday. Rather, from the Monday top, it's been a very slow week, and we will take a look at it on the smaller time frame in a minute. But yeah, it's a bit of a problem child, like many altcoins at the moment. So we need to really hold support, and then we want to see a break above the green line here. That would be my first indication a low is in. A move above 34.5 cents, and then the market could form one more high, possibly in the 60 cent region, maybe even a little higher. Next resistance above would be 76 cents. But for now, the focus is on whether the bulls can actually hold support and break above the green line to form, that one more high. One more low is possible, even in the same scenario. It's just a slightly different wave structure. If the low is already in, it would have to be a so-called WXY structure, a slightly less probable scenario, but because the correction is already so extended, so deep, I'm, let's say, hoping that the low is in, but we're not about hopium here or hoping something. It's more about hope that I can keep my wave count as it is, right? No, we are all about data here. We are still holding above support, and the pullback is corrective, so we still give the bulls a chance. But how realistic is a direct upside momentum maybe early next week? Let's take a look at the smaller time frame. Before we do that, quick info for those of you who don't know it yet. We've launched this week our MCO Global channel, which is going to be the main channel of MCO. This is where all the communities come together that we've built, and it's different content. Today, for example, I covered Bitcoin and the impact of a potential Bitcoin strategic reserve. Check it out if you're interested. I'll put a link to the channel in the video description. Yesterday, I covered the S&P 500, MicroStrategy, the Nasdaq, different style of videos, longer videos, more in depth. So check it out, and maybe we can get it to 5,000 subscribers this weekend. That would be amazing. Looking at the smaller time frame, we can see that the immediate rally from the Monday low was only a 3-wave move. So because it's only a 3-wave move, we can't be clearly bullish. It means that, the rally from the Monday low to the Monday high was a 3-wave move. So if we recover from here and continue the path higher, the pathway higher would have to be a diagonal pattern, because if the wave 1 is a 3-wave move, well, the third wave would have to be a 3-wave move as well, and the fifth wave as well. So we would be dealing with a diagonal. Can we trust those patterns? Not really. Therefore, I am skeptical. That's all I can say. I'm leaning higher, but I still need to see a bit of a reaction. I would like to see next a break above the signal line here at around 28 cents. That would be the next signal that we can get. That wave 2 bottomed. I track it as a 1-2 setup, but it would be a 1-2 setup within a diagonal, so questionable. But a break above this green line would be early evidence that a low is in. Better evidence would of course be a break above the Monday high. Then I'm not going to argue with it, because it would indicate that we are indeed going higher and the market has bottomed in wave 2, and we could then move towards the next resistance here around 34 cents. But this is not convincing. We haven't even broken above the Friday high, which is located at 26 cents. Micro support at 22 cents. And to keep this upside reversal attempt pattern alive, the market should hold above 22 cents. That's the update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.